Well, hello guys. Last time I drew a million triangles. I was super happy with the performance, but that wasn't the destination. The destination was actually to draw a UI, which requires quads. And so I had the text rendering quads ready, but I didn't have regular quads yet. So after I finished my triangle experiment, I moved on to quads and I managed to cut down the performance or speed up, I don't know, to about 4.5 milliseconds for a million quads, which is double the amount of triangles I had before. And the way I did it is, well, you're not going to be surprised. Put everything on the GPU. That's the answer. Okay, roll credits, you can go on to the next video. Now, if you're still interested, the way it works is I make an order list for Bytonic sorting on a compute shader, pass that order list to the actual Bytonic sorting algorithm, which uses a bit of CPU invocation to sort them, and then that data is sent into a shader that renders the quads. And the way that one works is you have your triangle data inside the shader. Let me just illustrate here. And you build the actual quads and triangles using the vertex ID. And then I use the order here to order them correctly. Now you can see there's a bit of Z fighting going on. That's because I'm not actually using any Z values. The ordering now is explicitly just to build the draw call list, which I would use to render the text using indirect invocations and to render the quads. And then you would use actual Z positioning to layer them within the lists such that the depth buffer takes care of everything, hopefully, without too much lag. I think, honestly, you can get better. I read that you can get the radix sorting that is much faster on like above millions of triangles and millions of items. But honestly, guys, come on. Like, stop wasting your time optimizing everything. Like, this is just good enough. You're never gonna draw a million quads on a UI. So, anyway, that's how that works. Fascinating subject, but I have to move on because I would actually like to get a UI on my screen. Yeah, see you in the next video.